Hello there. Here's another video of an automated web scraper using Excel VBA. All information that I'll be showing with you in this video are not confidential. In fact, it is for public disclosure. I have this client and they hired someone to do a manual data entry by copying the data of this website and pasting it into an Excel file. However, when my client randomly checked his output, he found out that there are a lot of wrong data. So he just wasted his money hiring that person. So my client asked me if I can automate that process because he believes that automated process is more accurate. So here is the user interface of that macro that I have built for him. Okay. So the user interface is very simple, but it does the job efficiently and 100% accurate. My client has hundreds of firm CRD numbers and he wants to extract the data, those from the website. So here's the input box. The CRD numbers will be inputted in this cells of column A. So what the macro does is that it will determine if there are inputted numbers in this column. So if it does, it will proceed to delete all sheets that is available on this sheet. It will only leave firm CRD inputs. Okay, after deleting those sheets, it will take the first number, this row from row 2. It will take this one, 4173, and then add a new sheet for that. And then it will go to launch Internet Explorer. By the way, Excel VBA by default only controls Internet Explorer. However, we can also use Google Chrome, but coding Excel to control Google Chrome is much harder compared to Internet Explorer. So I used Internet Explorer because it is much easier. So it then opens up this website. Then it will paste that CRD number in here, which is 4173. Then the macro will click this button. Then, after determining that this web page is completely loaded, it will proceed to click the refine results. And then by default, all of these checkboxes are checked. So the macro will uncheck broker. It will leave investment advisor as checked. Then it will uncheck broker and investment advisor. Under status, actively registered must be checked. Then it will uncheck previously registered. It will uncheck this one, and it will uncheck this one. Okay, after this sheet is completely loaded while unchecking this checkboxes in here, it will then click this button to close the filter. Then the macro makes sure that this under tile view by clicking this one and determine if the text in here is tile view. If it's not the tile view, it will click again this one. So it is a list view. So must be tile view. Then from page 1, the macro will extract the name, the individual CRD number, investment advisor. Yeah, we have only checked investment advisor here, so it will only take investment advisor here. Then it will take the firm CRD number, the city, state. Then it will get the disclosure, which is now in the years of experience. Then it will move to the next data. up to the last item. Okay, when it reaches the last item and this is still clickable, it will click this one to move to the next page. That and then it will take the data from the first item up to the last item, clicks this one. So it repeats the process until it reaches the last page. Okay. When the macro extracts this data and clicks this one, it is not clickable, so it knows that this is the last page. Then after that, the macro will go to the refine results again. We'll uncheck the investment advisor and check the broker and investment advisor. So this must be checked. Close this one. It do the same process. It will copy the needed data in here up to the last item, and it will do the process until the last page. Okay, so it knows that it is the last page because this is not clickable. Okay, and then it will close this web page. Then it will move to 4170. It will add 4170 here. It then launches Internet Explorer again, go to the website and do the process. So the process repeats until the last row. So if there are 6 entries in this column, there will be new sheets in here, 6 new sheets in here. So let's run the macro to see how does it works. So we'll leave this one as is, and the macro will delete that. But by the way, let's clear these cells, so we'll only testing 4173 because it will take time to run or to extract this data. Okay, so let's click the extract button. Note, by the way, that I have closed the Internet Explorer browser. So let's click extract data. There, the macro opens up Internet Explorer. There's the 4173, and I'm checking those checkboxes. Okay, there, it will start to extract the data. Okay, there, it moves to page 2. Then page 3, page 4, page 5. So basically it does the extraction 4 seconds. So it is a much faster and 100% accurate compared to doing it manually. Okay, so let's wait until it extracts page 32. So page 29, 30, and the last page. Okay, okay, it will check broker and IE and do the same process up to page 31. So we are now at page 30 and the last page. For that, it will close the web browser there and it will send a message that the process is completed. So here is the output for 4173. So this, let's open up 4173, check if it's really it really extracted the data. Okay, let's just open same Internet Explorer. Oh my god. Website 73. Then refine results. Okay. Okay. First is, what is the first? Hmm. Let me. Okay. Let me do the one. Okay. And 1, 3. Wait to load. Uncheck this one. Uncheck this one. Okay. Okay. Why it is not sorted? So the first item we have here is this one. Copy. Okay, let's copy this name. Alright. Then search it in because this the output is sorted. Yeah, the CRD. Uh, yeah, the item on this website shuffles, and the next time you visit, the first item is not the same as the first item. So if we go to Rene, we have here, and those CRD numbers are, where is the name? There is So these see the individual CRD. So 5888857, so it's correct. 4173, the number. Then the years of experience is 9, and the city is Grand Rapids, and MI, and this is investment advisor. So we know that the data is correct. Okay, so that's it. That is how this web scraper works. So if you have a similar project, as long as we can open that website in an Internet Explorer, and we can determine if those data can be extracted by studying the source code of that website, then I can automate the process too. So let me know if you have a similar project just like this, and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.